Hello students, welcome to tutoringcluster.com and welcome to second part of our weekend series, No Government Exams. This series I am making specially for second and third year engineering students. So let us see one of the very important government exam in this video. So the name of the exam is SSCJ. SSC, it stands for Staff Selection Commission, and JE, it stands for Junior Engineer. So every year you are going to get the notification of this exam. This is a central government exam, and especially it is for mechanical, electrical and civil branches. So if you are from computer or IT, you can stop the video here itself because this is not going to be for you. Now, what about who conduct this exam and what are the different branches? So as I told, the SSCJE exam, it is conducted by Staff Selection Commission. It is meant for recruitment of junior engineer for civil, electrical and mechanical, as well as quality surveying and contracts. Now, what are the different opportunities after SSCJ exam? Now, once you are clearing this exam, you will be posted either in one of these different departments. So one is Central Water Commission, second is MES, Military Engineer Services, third is Border Road Organization, which is abbreviated as BRO, or National Technical Research Organization, NTRO, or Faraka Barrage Project. So these are the various departments in which you may be posted if you are clearing this exam. Now, what about salary? The salary of a person who is working as a junior engineer in either of this department, it can be vary between 35,000 rupees per month to 1 lakh rupees. Now, what kind of job profile you will be having? Once, let's say you have selected, you have cleared the SSCJE exam, and once, let's say you have allotted a different any one of the department, then you may have to supervise the work, different projects work, then, or it can be the work of planning and execution of different project, or you may have to assist your supervisor. You may have to handle all the accounts, as well as you will have to analyze the data and write the reports. So this is the brief about the job profile after SSCJE exam. Now, this is a very important slide. What is the eligibility of to apply for junior engineer exam? So first one is very basic, that is you should be a citizen of India. Now the second is most important, that you should have the degree in either electrical or mechanical or civil engineering from recognized university, or 3-year diploma in either electrical, mechanical or civil from a recognized institute, university or board. So this exam, both the students belonging to either diploma or degree of the branches electrical, mechanical and civil engineering can go for this exam. So if you are from diploma students, you must try for this exam, because number of attempts you will get will be more, so that in first or in second attempt you will get a clear idea about the exam, and then accordingly in week section you can prepare and give your best. What is the age limit for the exam? The age limit for the exam is 30 to 32 years. Now coming to the exam pattern. So SSCJE exam, it consists of two papers, that is the paper 1 and paper 2. So paper 1, it is a preliminary exam, and once you have cleared, then you will have to face the paper 2 exam. So SSCJE paper 1, it's a objective type test which is conducted in online mode, while paper 2, it's a subjective type of test which is conducted in offline mode. So as per your university exams, the way the university is conducting your exam, so second paper it will be like it. Okay, it will be a subjective type, while the preliminary exam will be objective type. Now, the paper 1, it will have the 200 marks, while paper 2, it carries the weightage of 300 marks. So, this is the overall exam pattern of junior engineer exam. Now, we are going to see the detailed syllabus and detailed exam pattern of this. Now, let us see what is the paper 1 exam pattern. Now, so as I told, the exam, it will be of online mode. Now, in paper 1, you will get the 3 sections. The first one is general intelligence and reasoning. The second one is general awareness, and third one is general engineering. Now, the third paper, if you are from civil, you will have to answer the question. You will have to, or you will get the questions related to your branch. If you are from mechanical, questions will be of mechanical engineering, and if you are belonging to electrical, the questions will be electrical. Okay, so these are going to be the 3 sections for paper 1. So it will be a multiple choice question. The duration of this exam, it is 2 hours. The number of question, it is 200. Total marks, it will be of 200, and language will be in English and Hindi. So as you can see here, the number of questions and time, this is going to be a very critical point while clearing the paper 1 exam, because number of questions are more, 200 questions, and you have to solve those questions in 2 hours, right? Now, out of this 200 question, for reasoning, for the reasoning part, there will be a 50 question and the marks will be 50. For general awareness, the question number of questions will be 50, marks will be 50. Now in general awareness, everything is included like history, geography, then physics, chemistry, biology, right? So as well as the general knowledge part. Okay, so it's a huge syllabus. So preparation required for clearing this exam is more. It is not that easy, even though it is conducted at the diploma level as well as the degree level, right? Still, you will have to prepare very well for this exam because of the paper 1 structure, the way the structure is made, because the number of questions are much, almost 200, and duration is less, right? And the third part, which carries the maximum weightage, it is of general engineering. Okay, so it is with respect to your branch only. Okay, even though it is given as general engineering, okay, but you have to study your own branch subject. So number of questions will be 100 and the marks will be 100. So total marks here, it is how much? It is 200. Obviously, there is a negative marking, 1/3 mark will be reduced for each wrong answer. So this is about the paper 1 exam. Let us see what is the paper 2. What is the structure of the paper 2? So as I told, the exam, it will be of offline. It is going to be a descriptive type, that is the subjective type of questions will be there. Number of sections will be 1. So only general engineering section will be there. That means the questions, it will be based on your branch of engineering, right? So as I told, the way university conduct your final exam, in the same fashion, there is a paper 2 of SSCJ exam. The duration for this exam, it is 2 hours, but the marks, it is how much? 300. Okay, and you can answer in English or Hindi, right? So as I told, it will be of 300 marks and it's a descriptive type of question. That's why it is very difficult. So if you go for IES exam, there almost kind of such type of pattern of exam is there, right? Both objective as well as descriptive type of questions are there in IES also, right? So if you want the syllabus in detail, you can go with this link. Okay, you will find the link in the description box also. You can just go and check the syllabus in detail. They are given all the syllabus in detail, that from which subject the questions will be there in general engineering, right? So all the topics, all the subjects are clear, are mentioned very clearly. So you can go and check the syllabus in detail. Now, this is just for your information purpose. So in 2019, as you can see, this is a SSC JEE vacancies for 2019 and 20. Okay, so you can see here electrical, mechanical, and civil for these three branches only. And these are the different organization departments in which you may get posted. So in 2019 and 20, the total number of vacancies were 887. Okay, so every year almost you will get the vacancies in the range of 800 to 1000. Okay, for electrical, civil, and mechanical branches. A very good opportunity if you are belonging or if you have completed your diploma, and even the degree students can prepare very well for this exam, right? All the links of YouTube videos, or you can say books, which you can refer, the sites which you can refer, is given in the description box, as well as I am going to come to this in next part of my video. So in 2019 and 20, the total number of vacancies were around 800. So every year you will get such type of vacancy. Now, what is the cutoff for paper one exam in 2019 and 20? Out of 200, see the cutoff, it is very huge. It is almost 150 to 155. So a very tough competition is going to be there for SSCJ exam, because there are students from all over India who give this exam, right? Because it is applicable to both diploma and degree students. So that's why the number of candidates appearing for this exam is huge. So competition is going to be there. So you have to be prepared very well. So that's why I am coming with this series, so that don't decide that you are going to give this exam after your graduation, right? If you are from second and third year engineering students, if you have completed your diploma, you must give try for this exam, because salary structure is very good. It's a central government job. That's the second thing, right? So once you have clear, you are going to have a bright career. So the cutoff is huge. If you see the general and OBC cutoff, it is almost same. So don't consider that if you are belonging to another category. Okay, the range, it is every year it is increasing, but this is a general trend, you can say, or this is a general range in which the paper one cutoff is going. So for general, it is 150 to 155. For OBC, almost same as that of general. Now, in most of the competitive exam, if you are seeing the cutoff for general and OBC, it is almost same. Minute differences will be there. For EWS, it is 140 to 147. For SC and ST, it is 125 to 130. So this is just to give you idea, so that you will get a feel that how much you have to prepare for this exam. So it is not going to be easy. Now, which books you should refer, or which YouTube channels you should refer if we are going to prepare for this exam? Now, I will suggest you that even though if you have not planned, please go on these YouTube channels and you can see the various videos related to SSC JEE exam, right? So one is Wi-Fi study. This is a very good channel where you will find the complete syllabus in detail. They have covered everything. Second is test book or engineers adda. So for if you are referring to YouTube channel, you can go and check these YouTube channels. Okay, in free you will get complete syllabus in detail also, and then you can join the test series of any one of this. Okay, that can be the approach, right? See, what I will suggest, let's say you want to study the history for any of the subject, just type the history for SSCJ, whichever channel is coming in first or in second, but you can go and watch, because most of the students are going to watch those videos, right? So you can prepare through these videos also, or if you are not believer on online coaching, you can have these books and you can make your own notes and you can refer all these books for your preparation. For English, SP books is very good, as well as the Kiran SSC previous year English. This is of Kiran publication. This is also a very good book. For the maths, it's a quantitative aptitude. You can go for RS Agrawal, or this is also one of the books which many students are referring. Rakesh Yadav 7300 plus latest edition. Okay, try for latest edition. You can also find link of these books in the description box. You can go and check and you can purchase. For general studies, you can refer the Lucent publication. This is more than sufficient. Okay, they have covered complete thing, right? So Lucent publication, they also have their own book of general GK for 2022. Okay, where all the recent news they are covering, all the awards, all the events, main events, everything, right? So try to purchase the publication, that is the Lucent publication for general studies. For reasoning, RS Agrawal is best, and for technical subjects, now you can go for Made Easy books. Okay, also on YouTube channel, you can prepare your paper one, but for paper two, I will suggest go for the Made Easy SSCJ books. They have covered previous year questions also very well, right? They have also given the explanations of each question, so it is easy to get the idea that what kind of questions, what difficulty level it is being asked in SSCJ exam, right? So all the links is given in description box. Please go and check out. So hope you have got the complete idea about SSCJ exam, that what are the different departments you are going to work if you are clearing SSCJ exam, what kind of salary structure will be there in, and you will get around 40 to 42,000 per month. It's a very good in this start, and the way your experience is going to increase, of course your salary is also going to increase, so no worries about it. But it's a central government job, so it's a very good chance. If you are watching this video and if you are a second or third year engineering students, it is going to be very important. So we have seen the what is the exam pattern in detail, right? I have explained you the detail of exam pattern, paper 1 and paper 2, what are going to be different section, what kind of marks will be there, marking scheme will be there, what will be the duration, right? Whether it's a objective or subjective, so everything I have covered. Then we have talked about which books you should refer or which YouTube channels you can refer. So this is more than enough for you. If you want much more detail, you can write in the comment box what kind of clarity you want. Definitely I will try to answer all these queries. So hope you have enjoyed this short video, and hope you are getting some, at least you are knowing different government exam with this video series. So in the next weekend, in a similar fashion, I will coming out with different competitive government exam which you can prepare as per your convenience. So please do like, share and comment below this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.